National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, the Atlantic coastal waters between Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles, including Cape Henlopen, Rehoboth Beach, Slaughter Beach, 28-mile wreck, Buoy 2 FB, Buoy 2 MS, Buoy 3 FB, Buoy 4 FB, Brandywine Shoal Light, Brown Shoal Light, Cape May Point, Cape May Reef, 14-foot Bankrite and Wildwood Reef, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots, or greater 5 nautical miles northeast of Slaughter Beach, moving east at 15 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 3 nautical miles south of Brandywine Shoal Light by 6:10 p.m., 2 nautical miles north of Brown Shoal Light by 6:15 p.m. over Cape May Point by 6:40 p.m., 7 nautical miles north of Buoy 2 MS by 7:05 p.m. over Buoy 3 FB, 2 nautical miles west of Wildwood Reef and 4 nautical miles northwest of Cape May Reef by 7:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Harford County and northern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected 17 miles northwest of Aberdeen, or 11 miles north of Delaware, and was moving east at 15 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Aberdeen Grace, Aberdeen. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. Small hail also may accompany this storm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Harford County, Maryland. The following is a severe